So, are you red, green colourblind? I'll go for blue then. An idiom is a silly phrase if you just look at the words as themselves. So, if you wanted to be none too reverential, you might say someone kicked the bucket to say when they've died. It's not a very respectful way of saying things. Another one is, he's got eyes bigger than his stomach. It means they're very greedy. They want to eat more than they can actually physically fit in. So an idiom is a silly phrase because nobody's eyes, like, whoa, are literally bigger than their stomach. And then, so a silly phrase, but it means something in that language. And then here we've got a proverb. A proverb gives wisdom. So it's a collection of words that will hopefully make your life a bit smoother on its way. So you might have a stitch in time saves 9. So if the job needs doing, just get it done, because if you ignore it, it will become a much bigger job later on. Make hay while the sun shines. While things are good, get it done. Don't wait for another day. Or there's another phrase, waiting for your ship to come in, which means you're waiting for your luck to arrive. My mum always says, don't wait for your ship to come in, row out to meet it, i.e. get your body in gear and do something about the problem. And then another one, ne'er cast a clout till May is out, which means don't take off too many clothes until the summer's definitely here. Now the May could be the month of May, or it could be the May blossom, which arrives at about May time. And a clout is any sort of item of clothing, really, I suppose. Ne'er cast a clout, don't cast it off, don't get rid of it till May is out, because it can still turn jolly chilly. See you soon.